Hello kids, how are you all? Fine? Okay, very good. So here we are again with something new again. We'll be making something with the help of balloon. Yes. Okay. So what we will make today, can anyone guess? Yes, we will make balloon painting. That's true. Okay. I know you cannot guess. Just don't worry. We'll be making balloon painting. We'll make the painting of universe. Yes, with the help of all planet, sun, earth, everything we will make with the help of balloon. Okay, very good. So I hope you all are excited. Yes, I can see you all are happy. Very good. And excited too. Okay. Very good. So, dear, shall we start now? Okay. So, let's see what material we will be needing. Okay. See, we will make this type of, yes. Okay. So, this is the sun and all planets we will make like this. Okay. We will make little bit more shading and all. This is the basic structure. Okay. So, I'm just keeping this aside. And just we will go, let's see what we will have, what we will need for this. So okay, just spread a newspaper so that you can color it nicely and your paper, your workstation don't get spoiled. Okay, now I'm taking a white color A4 size sheet. Okay, so just one sheet I'm taking. That's all, we need only one sheet. That's right. If it is little thick, it's fine. If it is thin, then also fine, no worries. Okay. So this is the sheet we are taking. Perfectly fine. Then other than this, we need 2-3 balloons. I have taken 4 balloons. So just take, yeah, there is no need of any small or big like that. Any balloon is perfectly fine. The color of balloon is not important. We will use the colors. So the size and color of balloon is just not important. We need acrylic color. Yes. And I have taken one watercolor that is blue. Okay. That's right. So these are 4 balloons. This is watercolor blue and all other colors are acrylic color. And we need one pump if you want to blow with this balloon with this. And if you want to blow on your own, you can do that also. Okay, this is preferably safe. Then I have taken one black sketch pen. You can take pencil also. Very good. And then what else we need? We need one brush. Yes, we need thick brush only. And a rough kerchief just to dry like this. Okay. Yes. And a glass of water because we will need to wash the brush in between. We will try not to wash, but sometimes that's why we have taken more balloons. So that we can go on with our work. Okay. So that's all we need today. Okay. See, yes, we will need 2-3 sketch pens. Can you see? I'll just show you like this, red and orange. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So just spread your sheet on the paper. I have just taken this. You can spread your sheet on the newspaper so that you can protect your table. Okay. Very good. I can see all of you are having all the materials. I'll just give a fast recap of the material so that all the children who have joined late will also be knowing the material. Okay. So see, this is the white sheet I have taken. This is just for the sake of to save my table. This is not the part of our painting. So just take a white sheet. That's right. Any size is perfectly fine, not to worry. If you take little big or small, that's perfectly fine. Even the thickness is okay. Little bit thick or little bit thin is perfectly fine, not to worry. Yeah. Okay. Then we need a blue color of watercolor. This we are taking watercolor, not acrylic. Then all other colors are acrylic. Planets we will make with the help of this acrylic color. Then we need 4 balloons. 1 brush, 1 pencil, and a rough cloth just to wipe off the brush. I have taken this pump just to blow the balloons and a glass of water in case we want to wash the brush. Okay. Okay. So I think you all are having everything. I can see. Yes, yes. So very good. So you are ready with all the things, isn't it? So I hope now we should start. Okay, let's get started. Okay. So what first we will make a little rough sketch so that you get an idea. I'll just show you. See, this is not the perfect one, but we will make little similar to this. Okay. Okay. So I'll go with sketch pen so that it is visible to you properly. If I'll make with pencil, it will be difficult for you to see. So I'm going for the sketch pen. You can do it with the sketch pen if you're comfortable. If you feel that it may go wrong, just take pencil and then repeat with the sketch pen. Okay? Okay. So first I'm just, see, I have taken this corner. Left side corner up, upper corner of the left side. Okay? And I'll just make a curve like this. Okay, so this is the corner we have kept for the sun. Okay, now we will make 8 lines like this, giving curve all over. Okay, yes, just take the left corner, upper corner, left, yeah, left side, upper corner. Get it? Yes, this is the upper left corner. When you put the sheet, this is upper side, okay? And in this upper side, I have taken the left corner. I hope now I am clear, dear. Okay, so I just made a curve like this. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, just get ready with this. Okay, so now we will be making, after this line, we will be making 8 more lines. Okay. So just, okay, just make this much. I'm waiting, don't worry. Okay, so those who have come late, I'll just give a fast recap. I have taken 1 sheet, few balloons. This sheet is of A4 size, but if the size is different, it's okay. You can take any. If the sheet is little thick, it's fine. Even the thin sheet is perfectly okay, not to worry. I have taken 4 balloons. You can take any size of balloon, any color, okay? Yes. Then few sketch pens, pencil. This is white, blue watercolor. 1 brush. This is pump to blow the balloons and acrylic color. Okay. These are Fevicryl acrylic color. Okay. And a glass of water so that we can wash the brush and a rough kerchief. Okay. So now all the children who have joined late can also now start with me. Okay. So just make a curve on the left side, upper part of the sheet. This is upper part. Okay. And from that I have taken the left side and draw one curve like this. Okay. Now what we will do before drawing other lines, we will just make the background ready. We will make this sheet little blue in shade. Okay. So what we will do, we will just take little blue color and spread like this. Don't put this color here. Okay, this is for the sun part. So I have just drawn this line so that we will not color in that corner. Okay, so I have put little color all over. Now I will be taking blue, little water and just spread it like this. Just put very little water. We just want to spread the blue color because we want to give the blue shade all over the paper. So if you find that some places are dark, some are light, is perfectly fine. We want that type of shade only. So no need for the universal color. We just want light and dark all over. Just spread the brush like this so that the extra water goes off the paper. Now I'm just drying my brush. I have cleaned the brush and just drying it so that I can remove the extra water from the sheet, okay? So just rub it like this and all the extra water will go away. We don't want our sheet to be too wet, that's why. Okay? So just do this much part. Now just put the rough cloth like this so the extra water goes away from the paper. We don't want too much water on the paper. If you are having too much of water, it will be difficult for you to do other things. So just press little. Don't do it very hard, otherwise you will damage the paper. Just do with little very gentle hands. The paper is very soft as we have put watercolor on that. This is just to remove the extra water, okay? Nothing else. See, I'm just doing it with so gentle hands. Yes, dear. Light blue. We don't want dark blue. Okay. So just put few drops of color and then spread with the water. So what we will get the shade. Yeah. See, somewhere is dark blue, little, and some is light blue. So we get all shade. So we get a blue background on this paper, and that will give a beautiful effect. Okay. So when the work is done, you will find that it's looking beautiful. So now just touch the paper and you will see that the water is gone because we press the rough kerchief on this paper, na? So the extra water is absorbed by the kerchief. So we want the paper dry and that's why we did this thing. Okay. So just get ready till here, dear. Once you get ready, then only we will proceed. Okay. Yes. So now the paper is dry. Okay. So this is the part we have kept for sun. And after this, we will be making 8 curved lines. Okay, so now I'm starting. Are you ready? Okay, so just be with me and do as I am doing. Okay, so the first line, leave little bit of space and do like this. See, the paper is dry, that's why our sketch pen is working nicely. And if you feel that you cannot draw with the sketch pen, just do it with the pencil. Okay, so that you can repeat it with the sketch pen. So I have drawn the first line. Now I am making the second line. This type we will make 8 lines till the end of the paper. Okay, so 2 I have done. This is third. Fourth. So total 5 I have done. And now 6, 7 and 8. So we got 8 lines. Can you see? Yes, I'm waiting. Just don't worry. If you find it little difficult, do it with the pencil and then repeat it with the sketch pen. See, little bit here and there is perfectly fine. Just no need to worry, dear. After making this line for sun, you have to make 8 more lines. So total, if you count this, we have 9 lines. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so we are having total 9 lines. This part is we have kept for sun, and this all we have drawn little bit giving curve, and we will make planet all over here. So now the color of blue is finished. So I'm just keeping this aside. Okay. So till you draw the line, I'm just getting the balloons ready. I'll just blow them little and get ready. You don't have to blow too big. See, I have just made so small. And just put a knot like this. Okay. So like this, I'm making all the balloons. You guys get ready with the balloon and your paper both. Can you see? Just putting the knot and making the small balloon. Just put on this palm and blow it like this. One I have made little big. Because 1 or 2 planets we have to make little big, okay? So that's why I have made one big. And these 2 I have made small. So my 3 balloons are ready. And now this 4th one is also ready. See, so these are small, and this is big. So just get ready with this blue shade and 4 balloons. Yes, you have to put very less air in this. Just 2 or 3 times you push the pump and the balloon is ready for the use. and you have to tie a knot so that you get the shape. Okay, see now the paper is also dried up so nicely. Till we made the balloon ready, our paper dried up so beautifully. Now it's totally dry and we could make the picture properly. Okay, so no worries now. Now what color we will be taking? I'm just showing. See, first we will be taking, we need yellow, orange, red and brown and blue. I have taken these 4 colors. Now we will be taking acrylic color here. See, watercolor we just needed to give this base little bit blue. Now we will not be using watercolor because we want a particular circle which a very dense color. Watercolor are very liquid in form and their consistency is not thick. That's why I am taking this. Okay. So just, are you ready with the balloon part? Okay. So I think now all the balloons are also ready. The paper is also ready. Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm just taking one balloon. Open the yellow color and orange color. We want to give the shade of yellow and orange in the sun. I'm just putting this aside so that you can see this properly, okay? Okay, I'm just taking yellow and orange color. So first we will just put yellow color, because if you will mix it, yellow color will spread and we won't get the effect of orange color will spread and we won't get the effect of yellow. So first we will take yellow color, okay? See, I have just taken the balloon and put the yellow color with your brush like this. We will be using with the brush only. All the colors we will spread with brush only. Today we will use brush and make the balloon painting. So just put the yellow color. Don't use first orange color, otherwise it will just overlap the yellow orange. Just do like this, press it in the corner. We want yellow color more to be seen in the sun. So just put the yellow color and press it over here. See, you will see little color has come out. So not to worry about that, okay? It's perfectly fine. So now just close the yellow color and take little bit of orange color. Just a little, not too much. Because we don't want the sun to be look like full orange. We just want little orange shade. So I have just put little bit of orange and just press it in between so that it gives little shade of orange also. So can you see the color has come out also little. So just don't worry. We want that type of only. That's why I have done it. Because we want to show that little color is out. We want to give a rough. Yes, all the heat. Yeah. The waves of the sun we want to show. That's why. Okay. So now we will be taking other colors. So okay, we will take little orange color for one planet. So before closing this, just put orange color little bit over here. Just put the color properly, otherwise you won't get a nice circle. Okay. We have taken this acrylic color so that we get a beautiful circle. So just put it properly. Okay, so now I'm taking 1, 2, 3. On the fourth part, I'm taking this and just putting like this. On the fourth of the row line, I have just put the orange color. Okay. If you have not, if you don't get a nice circle, just put the color little more and repeat it. So you get a good circle. Yeah. The line should be in between. Can you see? Just do it like this. Now I have closed the orange color and I'm keeping aside. And I have taken the brown color. And with the same balloon, because brown color is little dark, so it will do. I'm just putting little brown in between. I'm not putting too big because I want a little small circle. So this time, when we will make small circle, just don't press your balloon too much. Press little less so that we get a small circle, okay? Okay, so see, I'm just putting, I have pressed it less, so I got a brown color, isn't it? And the circle is so small. Can you see? Very good. Now I'll just put little more color and make one more planet. This time we will make little big. So just put little more color. So we get a little big circle. Yes, first I have done with orange, one here. Now with brown, one here. Okay. Yes, earth we will make. Just a minute. We will make earth also. Just a minute. Okay. This brown color you have to spread a little more because earth will come here. Third number is our earth. So this is first, this is second and third. So we will be making earth, and earth is little bigger than this first planet, na Mercury. So that's why I am making this little big, okay? So let's go with this. Very good. So this we made Mercury. Now we are making earth. So just, this should be little bigger than this, okay? This is the first planet. It is very small. So now I'm making earth. So this is little bigger and I have taken brown. So just do like this and press it more because we want little big. That's why I took little more color, and if you press it more, we get a bigger circle. We will just give little black shade afterwards when we will be using black color that time. Right now, just put brown color. Okay, so now I am just closing this. Okay. Now what we will take, I will take little red color. Okay, so 1 or 2 planet we will make with that. I have put so less color because we are making the last one. So just make little bit of red, and this will be very small. So make little bit small. Just press it little. So you get a small one. Okay. Very good. And I'm making one over here. We'll just name it. Once we will done with the color, we will also name it. Okay, just wait. Okay. So, I'm just closing this red color also. Okay, I'm just waiting. You all get ready till here, then I will proceed. Not to worry. See, I have made 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are still 3 more to go. So just make this 5 planets, then we will go further, okay? This third one is Earth. Very good, very good. Yes. So just get ready, okay? So once you finish, then we will take one more color. Slowly, slowly, we will take other colors. Don't worry. So this is first is Mercury. We made Mercury, okay? Yes. Second is Venus. So first is Mercury. Second is Venus. Third is Earth. So we made Mercury, we made Venus, we made Earth. Now we are supposed to make Mars and Jupiter. No, we made Mars also. So now we want to make Jupiter and Saturn. Very good. I hope children you have done till here. Okay, so now I am adding the color. Okay, so now I am taking some other. See, first we have done Mercury, second we have done Venus, third we have done Earth and Jupiter. So till fourth we have done. Now we will be going on Saturn. Okay, so let's take blue color. This is little big, so we will put little more color. When you want to make a big circle, you have to put more color, okay? So now just press little more because we want little big circle over here. See, when you press more, we get a big circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So fifth and sixth. This will be little big. So just put more color. Okay. Now only one remains. That's right. That's right. Only one. So what we will do? We will put little white color on this blue so we get a different shade. We will just put a white, just but be careful to take with some other brush because otherwise you will spoil your white color. So I'm just taking this white color and putting over here. And just do it So can you see? We are having white and little bit blue shade. So it is looking so beautiful. Okay. So now see, first is Mercury. This is Venus. This is Earth. This is Mars. This is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay. So all the 8 planets are ready. Now what we will do? We will just make circle around this because these planets have this type of shape. Just do like this. So now we can write the names of the planets. See, I'm just writing over here with small handwriting. I have written Mercury over here. See? So now Venus. This is Earth. So just write the name near the planet. Mars. Jupiter. Saturn. Uranus. And Neptune. So can you see? With the help of ball, we made all the planets, dear. Very good. So now we need to give little shading on this because this is the universe, na? So in this universe, not only the planets are there are many other, yes, many other bodies in the roaming in the. So what we will do? We will take the brush. We will just dip little and just do like this. Just tap it like this. So little drops will be seen on your painting. Can you see? You will see small drops coming on the painting. We want that only. Just do it little. We don't want too big drops. So can you see now? See, so many drops are there, na? So they look like as if the stars and all the, yes, universal body, na? So we can see all the bodies. It looks like so many other stars and all the bodies are there roaming around the planet, around the sun in the universe. So it looks so beautiful. Okay. So now what we will do, we will just give little black shade in this earth part. Just take the sketch pen because the color is dried up, so not to worry. Just put little black, okay? And what we will do, we will just take this red color and do like here near the sun, because we want to show the hotness of the sun. So just put little red color over here. So this is our sun, these are our planets. This is full our universe. So very good, very good. That's looking nice. Yes, these colors you can take of your choice, but if you do like this, now you get little variation. So when it is seen, we can see so different shades in the planet. So this is Mercury, the second one is Venus, this is Earth, the fourth one is Mars, the fifth one is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So all the planets, and these dots will be, yes, just to show the other particles moving in the universe, stars and all we want to show. That's why we have given this small dots. So full our painting of universe is ready. So now you can write the name on the bottom of your painting. Yeah, just write the name. And can you see the painting is ready now? Yes, dear. Just put little red color here near the sun, because we just want to show the hotness of the sun, that the sun is so hot and all. It gives light to all the planets. Slowly, the light goes in decreasing. Very good. Very good. I can see most of you have finished. That's very nice. Very nice. Yes, yes. Good, good. So just finish it off and just show me on the screen, dear. Yes, it's looking beautiful. That's very nice. Wonderful job, wonderful job. Yes. You have shown the sun very, yes, the sun is looking very nice. Yes, orange and yellow is looking beautiful. That's wonderful. Okay. So those who have not shown, just show me, dear. I just want to see what you have made. That's great, dear. Okay. Very good, very good. It's looking awesome. That's very nice. So you all have done such a wonderful job. Very good, children. I'm so happy with your work, with your color combinations. Very good. So nice, so nice. So just don't forget to put your name in the end of the your painting. Very good. That's wonderful. So children, I hope you all had a nice time. You enjoyed this session. You made such a wonderful painting. That's very good. Okay, children. So now it's time to say bye, dear. Okay. So thank you, children. We'll meet again with something new, something interesting, something exciting. So till then, have fun. Okay. Bye, children.